but we're here at Twin Bridge over by west of Crivitz, Wisconsin, and we're gonna go get some garbage, hopefully some phones, some watches, whatever we can find in there. We're gonna clean it up and just kind of help the park system out here a little bit, help the water. Will be a fun dive. Still waiting on Johnny. People jump off this rock behind me here. They land in the water, they drop stuff. They drink up here, they litter. Trash, cans, bottles, paper, whatever. We're gonna go clean it up. Oh, it feels good, Johnny. So it goes straight down right here pretty much, like 15 feet. Then over there it's all shallower. But our goal is not to stir it up too much. So try to just use your hands to crawl around as much as you can and not kicking your feet too much. Just waiting on you. I don't want to go find everything before you get in there. You want me to have a head start? All right, I'll accept that. Good? Okay, let's go. Oh, cool. There's a lot of stuff down there. Oh, you got two Apple Watches? 3? Oh, what the heck? Dang. Nice, Johnny.
Yeah, I have my hands full of Apple Watches.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Hey, can you throw your basket over here? Mine's full. Oh, cool. Oh. And what? Oh, geez. That's because it's plant land right here. That's why. Look at that. A full one. But there's still like stuff around. We can go out a little bit. There's still a lot of trash out here. But we can go to the corner over there, down a little deeper. You can try that out, but there's a lot of stuff down there too. Gonna need a bigger boat. A big miss.
Oh wait, I thought that one was mine, but that one's yours.
Yeah, it is mine.
Oh.
So I know you're trying to throw stuff in there. Pretty full. Look at that. Sweet. Hey, Jonny. A fishing rod, line.
Oh, I found like a top part of a reel.
Oh, nice. Are you ready to get out of here?
Yeah. I found a big metal sign. It wasn't a sign, but it was a big metal like pipe. It was really heavy, and I like brought it up to the top, and then it dragged me back down.
Oh, but I think we're gonna swim back instead of going up and up here and down.
Okay.
We'll just we're gonna dive underneath, or we're gonna put air in our BC and just go back. I mean, you can dive some more too, but we'll just stay along the shore until it gets to a spot we can get out. Well, we got a lot of trash on our boards, and instead of walking on all those rocks and losing all this trash, we're gonna have to swim it all back so I don't lose it. I've got this. There's a bunch of cans in here. Also, this net, this rod and reel here, and it'd just be really hard to carry all this in that woods up there. So this is the way to do it. Made it to shore. There you go. All right, I'm hopping back in here. All right, this here's the beach area where everybody comes swimming. Around the 4th of July, this whole beach is packed. All the water, there's people all up here. We're having a good time, you know, drinking, grilling, just laughing. But there's got to be something in there, so we're gonna go find it. We gotta hurry up. Some fins would be good. That's kind of tough. This ain't my first rodeo, but sometimes I fake like it is. Told you have fun, Johnny? Yeah, you got a lot of stuff there. No. Find the owners and get it back to the owners. Don't be cheap. Oh, you lost some. Oops. Finally came. Been waiting for like 10 minutes. Johnny caught up with me. Alright, so this is Johnny's training day today. Did a really good job. We got a lot of trash out. Let's check it out here. So we got all these aluminum cans here. There's a lot more down there, but this is all we picked up. That's all we got room for. Some plastic, some glass bottles, a boot, pieces of shoes here, some cloth. Johnny found 2 Apple Watches, a Fitbit. I found 1 Apple Watch and this other older watch. All these sunglasses here, some hair ties, these little, whatever those are called, some fishing line, this bowl here, some plastic, some fishing lures, and some jewelry. Got some jewelry in here, some rings, earrings, a charger, a fishing rod, and a net. Did you have a good time?
Had a great time.
Had a good time? It's good to bring Johnny out. It's good exercise. He couldn't keep up with me because I'm in really good shape.
I was carrying all the stuff.
Okay. Apparently he's carrying everything, but no, he did a good job. Can't wait to go on more adventures with him. I'm Ed the Diver. Johnny Bieber, I guess. Okay. Just waiting on Johnny.